Okay, so we're doing a deep dive today into aloe vera juice.
Aloe vera juice.
Yeah, so like everyone knows aloe vera, like for sunburns,
Oh, yeah.
the gel.
Right, right.
But drinking it,
Huh?
that's a little bit, maybe a little trendy, maybe a little like one of those health things.
Sure.
But I gotta say, I was a total skeptic too.
Okay.
But I have had digestive issues like forever.
Uh-huh.
Tried everything,
Yeah.
like over-the-counter pills to, I don't know, weird home remedies,
Right.
and nothing was working. I was starting to lose hope.
Yeah, I can imagine. So what changed?
Well, that's the thing. I kind of out of desperation, I had read that aloe vera has been used for thousands of years for medicinal purposes.
Yeah, there's evidence ancient Egyptians were using it
Oh, wow.
for, wounds, burns, and even digestive problems.
So they were way ahead of the trend.
Yeah, they called it like the plant of immortality.
Plant of immortality. Okay, that's pretty convincing. So I was like, okay, fine. Out of desperation, I'll give it a try.
Yeah.
Did some research online.
Yeah.
Found one that was pure, organic, no added sugar, nothing weird.
Good, good. That's important.
Yeah. And I just started, like, doing a shot of it every morning.
Okay.
Part of my routine.
And how was that? What was that like?
Okay, so full disclosure, the taste, it's a lot.
I was going to ask. Yeah.
It's a little bitter. It's kind of grassy. It's, I don't know, it's an acquired taste.
Yeah.
But I just mixed it with, like, some fruit juice in the beginning
Okay.
to make it a little bit easier.
Sure.
But honestly, I was so desperate, I didn't really care about the taste.
Yeah.
And here's the thing. I started noticing, like, changes.
Oh, okay. Like what?
So my digestion, like aloe vera, it was, like, soothing my gut. Like,
Interesting.
just calming it down.
Yeah.
Everything started moving more smoothly.
Okay.
The discomfort I had had for so long
Yeah.
started going away.
Wow.
It was huge, like such a relief.
That's incredible. So you're saying like, bye-bye to the pills and the weird remedies.
Yeah, exactly. Like, I actually felt like I was absorbing moisture, like, better.
Really?
Like, from the inside out, my skin even looked, like, plumper and more radiant.
That's fascinating. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties.
It is.
Yeah. I mean, it's a succulent, it stores water in its leaves.
Oh, right.
But it's also got these things called polysaccharides.
Polysaccharide?
Yeah, they're complex carbohydrates, and they attract and hold onto moisture.
Oh, interesting.
So it's not just water,
Yeah.
It's this like complex blend of nutrients that helps your body really absorb and use that moisture.
Like supercharged water.
Yeah, exactly, like a supercharged water. And did you notice anything else?
You know what? I did have more energy.
Really? More energy.
But it wasn't like jittery energy.
Right, not like coffee.
Not like coffee. It was like, sustained natural energy.
Mm-hmm.
I actually felt like I could get through the day without hitting that, like, afternoon slump,
Yeah.
which is huge for me.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
That's really interesting. Well, aloe vera, it doesn't have caffeine, but it does have a lot of different B vitamins.
Okay.
And those are really important for energy production.
So it's like giving your body the tools it needs to just function better.
Yeah, exactly. And without having to rely on caffeine or other stimulants.
Okay, so that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So I was feeling better, more energy, but also my skin was clearing up.
Your skin.
Yeah, I've always struggled with breakouts, but it was like the aloe vera was like working its magic from the inside out.
Wow. So you're saying like drinking it actually helped your skin?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
All right.
We all know aloe vera is good for like sunburns.
Right, right.
But it actually has these anti-inflammatory properties that can be really good for like overall skin health. So it can help reduce redness, irritation, things like that are associated with acne, eczema, other conditions.
Right.
And then on top of that, it's got those moisturizing properties we talked about.
Right, yeah.
So it keeps your skin supple and hopefully less prone to breakouts.
So it's like a beauty elixir.
Kind of, yeah. I mean, it sounds like you really stumbled on something that works for you.
I think I did. I'm starting to think, is this a miracle cure?
Well, I don't know about a miracle cure, but
Okay.
it definitely sounds like you found something that works for your body.
Yeah.
And you know what's so great about aloe vera? It's natural.
Yeah.
It's like nature's pharmacy.
Yeah, exactly.
So it seems like you had some great success, but what about people who, don't love the taste. Because we did talk about that. The taste is...
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not for everyone.
Right.
But I would say start small,
Okay.
like 2 ounces, and then gradually increase it as you kind of get used to it.
That makes sense.
Yeah. You can mix it with other juices,
Oh, sure.
like apple juice, orange juice, or put it in a smoothie.
Ooh, in a smoothie. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
And you can also just dilute it with water.
Yeah.
If you find the taste is just too much at first, start with more water. And then you can gradually reduce the water as you kind of get used to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And just find what works for you and make it a part of your routine.
Yeah, make it sustainable.
Exactly. Sustainable. Oh, and also really important, when you are choosing an aloe vera juice, make sure it's pure,
Yes.
organic. And this is important, aloe-free.
Oh, yes, aloe-free. That's a good point.
So aloe is a compound found in aloe vera that can have a laxative effect.
Right.
And you want to avoid that.
Yes, definitely.
Always read the label. Make sure you're getting the real deal.
Absolutely. Quality matters.
Yes, quality matters.
Yeah.
So we've talked about my journey, the science, how to make it taste better, but there's so much more to this plant.
Yep.
It's like so much more. So we'll be right back after a quick break. And we'll dive deeper into the world of aloe vera. We'll talk about the history, some surprising facts you might not know. Stay tuned.
Can't wait. So aloe vera, right. It's pretty amazing when you think about it, this like simple plant.
Yeah, I know. I'm like officially fascinated by it. So much history.
Oh yeah, tons of history, thousands of years. People have been using this for like medicinal purposes.
Yeah, you mentioned the Egyptians.
The Egyptians, yeah, they used it for wounds, burns, skin infections. I mean, they even they called it the plant of immortality.
The plant of immortality. It's a pretty intense nickname. Makes you wonder what else they used it for, right?
Oh, totally. They ancient texts, they talk about them using it for digestive problems, coughs, even like leprosy.
Wow.
Yeah, they really they knew what they were doing, and it's really cool because now like modern science is starting to back up a lot of what they knew.
Yeah, it's like a ancient wisdom meeting, like current research.
Exactly. It's pretty cool. Like, for instance, so we know aloe vera is a succulent, right?
It stores water.
Stores water in its leaves. That's why it's got that, like, gel-like texture.
Right.
But it's not just water. It's also got, you know, those electrolytes and minerals that really help your body use that moisture better.
So it's like deeper hydration than just water.
Yeah. Yeah, totally. It's like optimizing your hydration.
Okay. Okay, so then what about, like, the antioxidants and vitamins and stuff we talked about that before? Like, how do those factor into all the, like, the benefits?
Right, right. So aloe vera is a great source of vitamins, especially vitamin C, E, and A. And, you know, those are really important for your immune system.
Okay.
And they protect your cells from damage, like vitamin C, for example. That helps your body produce more white blood cells.
Oh, right, to fight off infection.
Exactly.
So it's like a multivitamin and a hydration booster.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's pretty amazing, right?
It's a lot. I have to admit, though, I'm kind of surprised. Like, something so good for you can taste so, I don't know, unique.
Yeah, the taste is, it's definitely something you get used to.
Yeah.
But, you know, I think the taste actually makes sense when you realize that aloe vera is actually related to onions and garlic.
Wait, what?
Hey, I know, right?
Onions and garlic? No way.
Yeah, they're all part of the same plant family. It's called Asphodelaceae.
I had no idea. They seem so different.
Right. It's kind of wild. But it's just another example of how, like, nature is full of these crazy connections.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so you mentioned before that there are, like, over 500 species of aloe.
Yeah, over 500.
500? Wow. I just thought there was, like, one.
Nope. A lot of diversity in the aloe family, but only a few are really known for their medicinal properties. The one we've been talking about, the aloe vera juice, that comes from Aloe barbadensis Miller.
Aloe barbadensis Miller.
Yeah. Sometimes it's called like true aloe or medicinal aloe. It's the one that's been studied the most, and it's the one that's like, you know, really known for those benefits.
Good to know. I'll be checking the label now.
Yeah, good idea. So we've talked about history, science, even a little plant family drama. What else can we learn about aloe?
Yeah, fill me in.
So for anyone who wants to like experience aloe vera firsthand, it's actually super easy to grow.
Really?
Yeah. You can even grow it inside in a pot. It's a great houseplant.
Oh, wow. So it's good for you and easy to take care of.
Pretty much. It's a beautiful plant too. You know, those spiky green leaves. It's got, sometimes it even has these bright yellow flowers.
Okay, I'm sold. I need an aloe vera plant.
I think you do. It's nice to know you can have it in your home and, like, use it if you need it.
Yeah, for sure.
Hmm.
Okay, so what else? What other fun facts do you have?
Oh, well, this one's a little surprising. So did you know that Cleopatra supposedly used aloe vera in her beauty routine?
Cleopatra, get out!
Yeah, supposedly it was like one of her secrets to looking young and radiant.
I mean, it makes sense now. Egyptians, Cleopatra, plant of immortality,
Huh.
it all adds up.
Right, quite a legacy.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It really speaks to the power of this plant. Thousands of years later, we're still, like, obsessed with it.
I mean, yeah, I'm upset. This whole deep dive has just been, like, mind-blowing. It's amazing how much, like, natural wisdom is out there.
It really is. And, this is just the start of your aloe vera journey.
That's true.
There's so much more to explore and learn about.
Yeah. Aloe vera, it's pretty incredible.
It really is. It's kind of amazing how it even survives in those, like, harsh conditions,
Wow.
So, like, the desert.
Yeah, the desert. How does it stay so hydrated when it's so dry?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Well, it's a succulent,
Right.
so it stores all that water.
In the leaves.
In the leaves, yeah.
Yeah.
Those thick leaves are like little reservoirs.
So it can, like, go for a long time without water?
Yeah, pretty much. It's a survivor.
Yeah, I like that. It's tough. It is tough. And that toughness, it kind of goes along with its healing properties too.
Yeah.
Like, remember those polysaccharides?
Yeah.
They're not just good for hydration, they're also really important for wound healing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They actually they create, like, a protective barrier over wounds,
Oh, interesting.
which helps prevent infection and helps the tissue regenerate.
So it's like a natural bandage.
Kind of, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so we've talked about all these species of aloe.
Yeah, over 500.
Are they all like the same? Like, do they all have the same benefits?
No, not really. I mean, they have similar characteristics, but only a few have, those medicinal properties.
Right.
Like the one we've been talking about, the Aloe barbadensis Miller. That's the one that's, like, really been studied and is known for, being the most potent.
Okay, so that's the one to look for.
Yeah.
But even then, I guess, like, quality matters.
Oh, totally. Quality always matters, just like with anything else, right? Like how it's grown, how it's processed, if it's organic.
So basically look for pure, organic, all that good stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And when you do, I mean, you've experienced it yourself, the benefits are pretty amazing.
Yeah, they really are. And it's so cool that it's, like, natural.
Right. Nature's pharmacy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's pretty powerful stuff. And I love that, we're still learning about it.
Yeah. Who knows what else we'll discover about aloe vera.
Right. It's pretty exciting. Well, this has been an amazing deep dive.
It has been. Aloe vera is pretty fascinating.
I'm a believer now.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
And, to everyone listening, keep exploring. There's so much out there.
Yeah, keep learning, keep diving deep, and maybe give aloe vera a try.
Yeah. What have you got to lose?
Exactly. Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you on our next